Hi guys, today's recipe is chicken sausage. Generally sausage are used in hot dogs, but individually it tastes so good. So let's get into recipe. For this we need chicken, salt, black pepper, green chilies, ground it to make fine paste. Cut big square size cling wrap to make a roll. Put chicken paste on it to make 4 to 5 inch chicken sausage. Roll it firmly and secure sides. Make more sausage with rest of the chicken. Boil 3 cups of water. Once water boil, put chicken sausage into it. Cook it nicely for 10 minutes. Now many of you will have question, is it safe to boil cling wrap? Yes, you can boil cling wrap, but make sure you buy it of good quality. Cover it for few minutes and switch off the gas and let it be. After few minutes, remove it in another dish. Remove the cling wrap. Now you can cut it into dices or you can keep it as it is, as per your wish. I am doing it both the way, dices and whole roll of chicken sausage. To enhance the taste, we can shallow fry it. Add some oil. Firstly, I am shallow frying whole chicken sausage. Cook it from all the sides till it turns golden brown. Remove once done. Now in same way we can fry diced pieces. Cook them from both the sides till it turns golden brown. Remove once done, and done. Recipe is ready. Do try it. Enjoy.